Stop. Do not hit that order button on the Insta360 X5 until you know about these significant drawbacks. Like everyone else, I was eager to test the massive resolution upgrade, but there are a few practical issues nobody is talking about. However, if you can accept these downsides, I will show you how this camera saved me 10 hours of tedious editing every single week. Let us get the downsides out of the way first. Drawback number 1 is the file size, because shooting in 8K means your files are massive. So you are going to need a high-capacity SD card just to survive a day of shooting. Drawback number 2 is the physical footprint. Because it packs a much larger battery, it is noticeably thicker and heavier than previous generations. Normally, that added bulk would be a reason to pause, but there is a specific reason I now reach for this camera over others, and it has to do with solving the absolute worst nightmare every single creator faces. I will show you the low-light test in just a minute, but first we need to talk about the lens. If you have ever owned a 360 camera, you know the crippling anxiety of scratching that bulging glass lens. A single scratch used to mean sending the camera in for a repair that could cost upwards of $200. But Insta360 finally fixed this with replaceable lenses. If you scratch it, you just twist it off and pop a new one on. But the real reason this camera is sitting in my bag right now is the AI PureVideo and the Instaframe auto editing. The biggest hidden cost used to be your time, sitting at a computer for hours, painstakingly keyframing every single pan and tilt. Now you just shoot first, point later, and let the artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting on your phone. It tracks the subject, reframes perfectly, and exports a high-quality, ready-to-post video in under 2 minutes. You get the ultimate fake drone shots and smooth follow cams without needing to hire a camera crew. I reached out directly to the brand. If you want to buy back your time, I have a special link for you in the description. Use coupon code INRA5G to get a discount and receive free bonus gifts like essential lens guards when you buy certain kits. Clicking that link applies the code automatically at checkout. Using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, what happens when the sun goes down? Traditionally, 360 cameras struggle immensely in the dark. But the X5 uses a dual sensor setup, and with AI PureVideo mode the difference is incredibly clear. It aggressively reduces noise and pulls in light much more effectively, making those heavy 8K files totally worth it. The one thing that consistently outperforms others and makes the Insta360 X5 a top contender right now is